Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about Poco F6. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. So this phone body weight is a 179 gram, glass front, plastic back and plastic frame. This phone display is 6.67 inch with AMOLED 68bit colors, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus. Display resolution is a 1220 into 2712 pixel. Aspect ratio 20.1:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256GB with 8GB RAM and 512GB with 12GB RAM. OS Android 14 HyperOS. This is an latest OS. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.6 aperture. Ultra wide angle is 8 megapixel with 1.4 aperture. Front camera is 20 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps, and front camera can capture HD with 30 and 60 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery, so you can expect a good battery backup from this phone. Charging system is 90 watt wire charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and fingerprint reader and strong sound system. So overall, this phone is nice. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.